Hello, my good people. How are you doing? Trust you are well and holding on strong. It's yet another day that the Lord has made that we may rejoice and be glad in it. If you have been following our home construction journey, I'm sure by now you know that it's God who has been at the center of it all. This has been a journey of faith that started as a dream even before we started dating. We prayed for this, and now we see God manifesting it one step at a time. And indeed, it is beautiful in our eyes. So, whatever you are trusting God for, I just want to encourage you that God will make it happen. He will surely, surely, surely bring it to pass. So, keep praying, keep trusting, and keep believing God. It's just a matter of time. So, in today's episode, we share great milestones of multiple works that will be happening concurrently. We will be installing window panes. Additionally, we are doing the skimming of our interior walls and applying the undercoat. Thirdly, we will be fixing the door frames. And finally, we will also be doing a little bit of exterior works, which will include moldings and a little bit of no exterior painting. So stick around and let's transform this house together. Honestly, your support by watching and encouraging us keeps us going. And we really, really appreciate your presence in this channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. And thank you so much for being a part of this family. And so, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and joining the clan. So, come on and tap on that subscription button. So, for the windows, we decided to choose the we opted for the one-way mirrored glasses just to give it that aesthetic feel, while for the door frames we opted for mahogany due to its durability. For the exterior walls we'll be using the rough and tough wall master paint, of course, which is textured, so just to give it that beautiful finish. Wow, the corner moldings have turned out great. They are simple, beautiful, and yet elegant. I just love it, love it, love it, love it. That said, the final paint for the interior of the house, we shall be doing it later on when everything else has been completed. We don't want the paint to get damaged because we still have a lot of work that will be happening in the interior. We have gypsum to install, we have tiling, and we have wardrobes and kitchen cabinetry to be fixed. Otherwise, I love how everything is coming along, very beautiful and very encouraging. These steps just show us that we are nearing the end and God is fully at work. Isn't God great? And we are really grateful for these milestones. So let me know in the chat, what do you think about the progress so far? I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe, stay positive, and God bless you.